Welcome back, everyone. It's the OTC. Thanks again for joining me for another video where we talk about using the pocket option platform to do binary option trading. Again, if you're new to the channel, take a look around so you understand what we've been talking about this whole entire time when we talk about strategies, setups, 5-second strategy, 1-minute strategies. Bring yourself up to speed so you know exactly what's going on. If you're trading in the OTC, use that ebook so you can immediately identify the setups and take the trades. It's as simple as that. If you haven't signed up, consider doing so you can start doing some winning trades like the rest of us. What is the OTC? As a recap, for those who are new to binary options, the OTC stands for over the counter, okay? The regular markets are closed and the trading is right now in the OTC, which can be a little bit risky. So take some caution and try to really make sure that you get all of your confirmations before executing your trades. Uptrends and downtrends. These are what you want to be looking for so you can make some safe bet trades so you can get that win that you're looking for. Look for those downtrends. Use any SMA or EMA so you can identify that trend. But the idea is that you really want to try to guarantee your trade by getting in on a downtrend or an uptrend. Ride it up or write it down. And it's really a simple concept. What goes up must come down. What goes down must come up. Okay, I'm going to ride a couple downtrends. I'm going to be using a moving average of 6, a 200 SMA, and an RSI at 5. Let's see how it all works out. And that's it. If you're still struggling, consider scheduling a coaching call Check out the ebook so you can identify and nail those candlesticks that win, find money to trade, and learn how to grow a small account with one trade a day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.